Well, more U.S. workers are taking advantage of their mental health care benefits.
The number of employer-provided private insurance funds spent on mental health services jumped by more than 50% since the start of the pandemic. That is according to a new study published Friday in JAMA Health Forum. Researchers say the increase may be due to more people using telehealth services.
And there is a teacher shortage in our country. According to numbers released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, nearly half of public education employees who left the profession earlier this year resigned. Why did they do that? Well, it's because they're burned out. Stress is keeping teachers out of the classroom. But the Olmsted Falls City School District is doing something to help teachers manage their stress. I went to the high school and discovered it's a lesson plan focused on their mental health.
Matt Salashi has been a teacher for 22 years. He's the union president in the Olmsted Falls City School District and teaches special education at the high school.
When you knew you had to walk back into this building, tell me about that feeling.
Honestly, this is probably the most freaked out I've been about coming back.
And with good reason. Rising school violence and disciplinary issues in the classroom has teachers on tilt.
You never know when that call's gonna come across the PA and you're gonna have to either barricade or get out of the school. We just wanna come in and teach, and there's a lot of negative things swirling around education that plays a role in our mental health.
It just is hard.
School Superintendent Dr. Jim Lloyd sees the burnout. He says because of the pressure of the day-to-day grind of being a teacher and interacting with people all day long, coupled with
some of the external noise that's happening right now in our country. Education never was really politicized, and we're seen as bad people that we're trying to indoctrinate, that we're trying to do different kinds of things that are, to students that maybe their parents wouldn't want them. There's this false narrative that's been created.
But Lloyd is flipping the script and getting teachers like Matt the help they need to process the pressures in a healthy way.
I think teachers are good at masking it, and they're not always going to say they need help, but I think it's getting more of a reality where we're realizing that we need help.
What we found is, from a research perspective, educators, we care about people so much that we tend to give others oxygen first before we give ourselves oxygen. So we started last year with really a professional development day that focused on talking about resilience and well-being. And I think that's the first thing, is to first understand where your head's at with different things, and then how to manage that.
And this is not just for teachers, but for all staff that interacts with students. This new initiative looks at how they're managing stress, are they living authentically, and how they approach problems.
If we do not begin to focus on the mental well-being of our educators, what do you see the future for teachers as we're dealing with a huge teacher shortage now?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked that. So United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization forecasts that the world, not just the United States, are going to be short 69 million teachers by the year 2030. So if your job is to take care of the well-being and wellness of students, that it's important that you take care of yourself first and foremost.
It's fantastic. You're going to love it.
And that's a school of thought that Matt is happy to be a student of.
I wish every school district would do this.
That is the sentiment. I'm telling you, it's necessary. Dr. Lloyd says research also shows that burnout in educators is actually higher compared to other professions, and the resilience to maintain a positive outlook is lower for educators than it is for people working other professions. This is like a 911 emergency in our country. 41 out of 50 states have teacher shortages. They are stressed out. As you heard him say, he's freaked out. You don't know the violence in schools, discipline. Our teachers are really going through a lot, and I'm glad that there's a district that's going to focus on their mental health, so the better they are, the better they can be for the students.
And what a great example for other districts to follow, right? They're laying the groundwork for other districts to go ding, 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 we got to do this.
I told Dr. Lloyd, I hope other districts are watching because more need to catch on to this, because the teachers are just screaming for help. They need it.